Sometimes, the car trunk simply isn't enough for packing essentials like camping gear, golf clubs, or skis and snowboards. If you're not a light packer or prefer longer trips, it might be the perfect time to upgrade with a car roof carrier and luggage rack to maximize your storage space. Finding the perfect car rooftop cargo bags can be overwhelming with so many options available, each offering unique features, benefits, and price points. To make your decision easier, I've done extensive research, analyzed countless reviews, and curated a list of the best car rooftop cargo bags from trusted brands. These products are specifically chosen to help people like you find comfort and support. For pricing and additional details, don't forget to check the description below. Now, let's dive straight into the video. Number 1. Roofbag Rooftop Cargo Carrier. The Roofbag Rooftop Cargo Carrier is an ideal storage solution for your annual camping trips or road adventures. Unlike traditional plastic, clamshell rooftop carriers, this versatile bag is budget-friendly, compact, and easy to store as it folds down when not in use. Another advantage is that it doesn't require a roof rack. Its durable straps secure the bag by looping under the car doors to the interior, a straightforward process we found remarkably simple. During our 700-mile road trip through California, the heavy-duty, waterproof material kept our camping gear safe and secure, even at high speeds. Although we didn't encounter rain, the bag's robust construction inspires confidence in all weather conditions. This cargo carrier is an excellent choice for budget-conscious travelers or those who need occasional extra storage for their vehicles. Number 2. Thule Motion 3 Rooftop Box. Thule sets the gold standard for car roof carriers, so we eagerly seized the opportunity to test their latest cargo box several months ahead of its official launch. We opted for the large size, which seamlessly fit a mid-size SUV, thanks to Thule's detailed size and feature compatibility guide. The carrier features an innovative quick-lock mounting system, making it remarkably easy to align the clamps with the crossbars and securely tighten them. At just 43.6 pounds, significantly lighter than most standard models, it was effortless to lift, with one person managing it comfortably. With 16 cubic feet of storage and a 165-pound weight capacity, we packed everything from ski bags to luggage without issue. A robust lock ensured the contents remained secure, and at no point did we question the safety of the carrier or its attachment to the vehicle. Its sleek, aerodynamic design eliminated noise or movement, even during highway drives or city commutes. While the large size couldn't accommodate longer skis, over 180 centimeters, Thule offers XL and XXL options for those requiring additional length. Number 3. Vista XL Rear Opening Cargo Box. The SportRack Vista XL Rear Opening Cargo Box impressed us with its tall capacity, making it perfect for packing larger items like oversized luggage that might not fit in more compact cargo boxes. Despite its generous height, the box is lightweight, making it easy to lift and install onto a roof rack. While we encountered minor challenges securing the brackets to the roof rails, we're confident the process will become smoother with experience. The box comfortably accommodated oversized luggage, coolers, and golf clubs, and its UV-resistant plastic offered just enough flexibility to fit bulkier items. What truly stood out was the Vista XL's aerodynamic design, which performed exceptionally well during our travels. Over 3 months of day trips to state parks and cities, we appreciated its hard-sided construction, which reliably protected our belongings from rain. Although it lacks the length needed for skis, its ample storage capacity more than meets the needs of most road trips, making it a versatile and practical choice for travelers. Number 4. Thule Vector Rooftop Cargo Box. For road trippers with generous budgets seeking a spacious and sporty cargo carrier, the Thule Vector Alpine model is an exceptional choice. Over 3 months of rigorous testing, it consistently earned perfect scores across all categories. This premium cargo box boasts standout features such as built-in LED lights for hassle-free nighttime loading, a felt-lined interior for added protection, and dual-sided access for maximum convenience. While installation is easier with 2 people, it's manageable solo thanks to a straightforward setup process, though the box's 66-pound weight may require some effort. Designed to accommodate sports gear, including multiple pairs of skis, the Vector Alpine also features interior straps for secure tie-downs. Its sturdy construction, featuring thick plastic and a slide lock system, ensures it remains stable and rattle-free even at high speeds. Additionally, its robust design offers reliable protection in all weather conditions, making it a top-tier choice for adventurous travelers. Number 5. Thule Force Rooftop Cargo Box. Mounting a cargo carrier onto a car can often be a challenge, but the Thule Force XT Rooftop Cargo Box stands out for its straightforward assembly and hassle-free installation. No tools are required, thanks to its user-friendly knobs that securely clamp onto roof rails with minimal effort. The Quick Connect system ensures a seamless attachment process, making it easy to affix the box to the vehicle. Convenience is further enhanced by its dual-side opening feature, allowing access to installation hardware and gear from either side of the car. While the box's lightweight construction makes handling easy, the sides feel slightly flexible when the lid is open, though this is far from a deal-breaker. In our tests, it accommodated skis, golf clubs, and camping equipment effortlessly, earning its place as one of the top-performing rooftop cargo boxes. That's it for today. I create helpful videos like this every day, so make sure to subscribe to my channel for more. If you're looking for additional details or want to check the product prices, you'll find all the information in the description. Have questions or need assistance? Feel free to drop a comment below. Stay tuned for more amazing products to make your life easier.